Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check balance Walmart money card. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now in order to check balance of your Walmart money card, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Walmart money card app and then simply log in with your username and password and then tap on sign in. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is your available balance will be shown just right here. You can also view your recent transactions right here and fees as well. Now if you are using it from your web browser, all you gotta do is type in walmartmoneycard.com and log in with your username and password, and your balance and full transaction history will appear in your account dashboard. You can also call at the number 877-937-4094, which is 24 hours automated system, and enter your card number and other info when prompted. The system will read your current balance, and you can also ask for customer service agent if needed. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.